hell, if we've been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. Weekend vlogs. Back at it.
Back at it. Smoking steady shit. Back at it.
Y'all see that handsome boy in that bathroom right there? Hey guys. Oh my god, so let me tell y'all. We recorded a whole cookie crumble video. And after all that, the video wasn't even there. But that's the life of YouTubers, child. It happens like that sometimes. It happens like that. So we about to go to our favorite spot. Have y'all ever seen us at our favorite spot before?
I think that, no.
I don't think so.
Oh, because we recorded another video that didn't.
Right, that didn't never come out. This coming out, baby. I got all these pimples popping up on me. This is coming out. I'm tired of recording and nothing is recording. Or nothing to show for it. Okay? So we back at it. You're supposed to say the line. Make sure this video's recording. I don't got it in cinematic. Y'all, we got to chow down. Look at him rubbing his hands like Birdman. He finna get into it. Y'all know I need my salsa. I need my green salsa. I need my green salsa.
Oh, ain't right. Good
morning, y'all. It is the next day. I know y'all seen the little clips of us getting lit at Real Tacos, #1 favorite spot. So my face look at, so I'm gonna put something on there. We're about to go work out. Malcolm, can you take over while I go wash up my face?
Yeah, we about to go work out, get fit, get lit, and then we probably gonna go grocery shopping, and then come back, chill out, and probably do some more work. I know I got some work I gotta do, so. But yeah, I'm trying to get back on this fitness stuff, man. I know I say that all the time, but saying we gonna get back on it, but we really back on it. So.
Alright, y'all. The camera probably cut off unexpectedly while Malcolm was recording because we ran out of space. So I had to delete some stuff. He looked so serious this morning. Why are you so serious? Huh? That's the one thing about you. When you gotta get some stuff done, you be like, Mr. Serious Man. I noticed that. Have you noticed that? It's like your mind kind of like blocked off from like the rest of the world, and you just like focus on what you gotta do. Funny guy, you. Okay. Okay. Now we splitting up today. Y'all, my arm was hurting. Well, it felt better this morning, but my arm was so stiff and sore from working out last time. And my butt cheek kind of hurt too. It's weird. All right, let's get this done. How you feel? Me too. How many calories you burnt?
292.
Ooh, that's good. When I was on the treadmill, it was like, I think like 270. I mean, not 270, but 180. Now we gotta walk up this big hill, y'all. Oh my gosh. What was I thinking?
You wanted to walk.
Ooh, child. I'm tired. I'm so tired, y'all. Some bullshit. The marathon continues. Oh.
Like a dessert or something like that?
Yeah, sure. What, make like a cookie or something?
Yeah, something like.
Okay.
Maybe something like an air fryer.
Yeah. Just turn it down here. Huh? No, I'm good. Uh-oh. There's something stuck in the wheel. We're picking up dinner, y'all. Then we're gonna cook his meal prep up for the week, child. Finna find some chicken thighs. It's strong too. It must be expensive because when it lingers, really, it's either really cheap or really expensive.
I was in high school. We used to spray that joint. Alright. This actually look okay. So this actually look okay.
Because it's morning time too. So
Good.
yeah. All right, what else we needed?
Frozen mangoes.
Fruit right here. Oh, y'all. We about to make some. Well, it's not gonna take us that long for real, to be honest.
Nah.
Just put the shit in the oven. Yeah.
We are back, and we're cooking some Sunday. I got a pimple. Sunday vibes, Sunday meal prep vibes. Doing some chicken. I'm about to season it up, and some salmon that's waiting to get put in the oven. And Shy is doing some Brussels sprouts, and she's gonna do some cabbage for the vegetables. Yep. So yeah, we're a little tired. We're probably gonna cook this, and then we're gonna probably go get some food for dinner because we're not gonna cook it. We're not gonna eat this for dinner. So yeah, about to season this up and then start putting stuff in the oven. Show y'all how it's looking when it's done. All right, y'all, after some hard work, thanks to this amazing person right here, we are almost done. This is my first meal prep with the salmon and Brussels sprouts with bacon. As you can see, we got 4 meals. It was pretty good. And I'm about to show y'all my second meal. All right, y'all, and here is the second meal. We got some chicken and some veggies. What they call it in Jamaica? Veggie? They just call it veggie in Jamaica. But it's cabbage, cabbage and bacon. Yeah, y'all, so trying this healthy vibe. It's my 3rd week doing meal prep, so yeah. And of course I got my perfect helper. You. And we are out, y'all.
I almost hit the sexy word.
Which? All right. Thanks for watching, y'all, and we out.
Bye.